Hey boo, so today we are making peach cobbler butter swim biscuits. So here's the deal. A few months ago, I posted my original butter swim biscuit recipe and y'all went crazy, okay? That thing went so viral that I had to keep coming back with a few more variations. I gave y'all a blueberry lemon variation. I gave y'all a strawberry shortcake one. And now I had to bring it back to peach cobbler because who don't love peach cobbler, right? This thing is perfectly spiced. I've got warm spices in here. I've got a beautiful jammy peach essence that's all throughout with fresh peaches dotted on top. I mean, this baby bakes up to perfection and you are going to love it. So let's get into the recipe. Start by throwing your peaches in a skillet and hit them with some sugar, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, a little nutmeg, lemon juice, and a splash of vanilla. Now in a bowl, we're gonna mix up our base. We've got flour, some sugar, both white and brown, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And give that a quick mix together before you pour in your buttermilk and vanilla. Don't overmix, y'all. Just fold it like it's a love letter you're trying to keep cute. Grab your baking dish, toss in some butter cubes and a little cinnamon, and let that melt in the oven. While that's going, fold most of that peachy goodness we worked on earlier into your batter, but save some drama for the top two. Take your buttery dish out of the oven, pour in the batter, and run a knife through the dough. We're gonna cut 9 squares so everyone gets a nice equal piece. Then spoon the rest of the peaches right on top. Bake it at 450 for around 28 minutes till it's golden, bubbly, and swimming in that butter, booze. That is a good biscuit. What is wrong with y'all?
Sounds so hot right there to me.
What is wrong with you people? What is wrong with you people? Those peaches are nice and tender and soft. I mean, it's giving all the peach cobbler vibes. That's what I'm talking about. Right in a biscuit, y'all. Y'all gotta try this. Get the recipe at grandbabycakes.com and get your whole life. Hey, biscuit.